Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video, in today's DIY, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a proper deep condition. Yes, so guys, this is my rice. My hot water is boiled already, and this is we'll be using two ingredients: rice and the aloe vera juice. So I'll be using the aloe vera juice in my rice. So guys, I'll be leaving the rice on the fire for it to cook. Yes, I'll be leaving it for it to cook and all that. So guys, this is it. I'll be taking out the water. I'll be washing it out and put clean water. After that, I'll be leaving it for like about like the rice to cook like normal way. Like if you are cooking your rice, normal way you cook your rice is the same way you are going to cook this as well. So and the rice is ready. The rice is ready after it must have cooled. This is how it looks. So guys, and this is my aloe vera. This is the aloe vera I have left for this DIY. I hope this aloe vera is going to contain this rice because I really don't want a lot. Like I don't want to do too much because I'm just using it for only that very day, because I don't want to save it like for another day. No, because I don't want to keep it like that. If I want to do it another day, I just like to make fresh one, you get. So this is me just blending, trying to make it that the aloe vera juice is so smooth and yummy. Like this thing is like when I was even preparing this, like it's as if I want to drink it. Like very very yummy. I don't know. I like aloe vera so much. For any DIY, aloe vera is very good and is really working. Like I must tell you guys, this thing is really working like magic. Okay, this is me just sieving out the excess juice. Like there are some particles of the aloe vera that is not good. You don't want that in your hair, right? Because it will not be so nice. You have to filter it or sip it out. This is me trying to use my tonic stick to make sure all the juice comes out of the aloe vera. And this is me trying to remove everything by possible, like everything, just to remove everything. So guys, this is me trying to blend my rice. Then I put on my, this is the juice, the aloe vera juice, and this is me trying to use my aloe vera juice to blend. Yes, no water. You don't have to put any water, just only the aloe vera juice. So I will blend and blend and blend. You know, my blender is not that kind of blender that you just put everything inside and you just do. This one you need to hold it. This blender you are seeing, this blender can even blend somebody. Like the blender can blend anything blendable. Like I love the blender so much. The blender is so strong. I use it in blending beans and all that. I've used this blender to blend like a lot of things. So guys, this is it. This is it. Like guys, this thing looks so creamy. It looks so creamy. Like it looks so creamy, like ice cream, like yogurt, as if I want to lick, as if I want to drink this thing. Like it's just like pop. Did you see that? Very smooth. If you are trying to make yours, let it to be very 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 smooth. This is very very good for hair conditioner. Guys, this is so good. And this is me adding my olive oil, like olive oil that I made the last time we did our DIY. This is me using the oil. Like, guys, this thing makes a lot of sense, my god. And this thing looks so creamy. For example, you just leave it there, somebody can easily drink this thing like this. Like, the person will think that maybe it's pap or anything. Like, very very smooth. Yes, I blend it. This is me trying to put this on my hair. Like, this is me using it on my hair. Like, this thing is so smooth. Like, did you see, guys? So smooth. This treatment and this DIY is so good. Just try it and come back and thank me later. Like, you will not regret trying this on your hair. You will not regret it. It's good to always take good care of your hair. Yes, like me, I do always take good care of my hair. I use a lot of DIYs on my hair. So guys, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Guys, after like about, I think, 2 hours, because I was just busy with house chores, I just tie it up like that. Guys, this is what it looks like. When I come here and I tell you to try this, just do, because I'm not going to tell you what is not working. It's working, guys. Did you see that? It's just as if I put like like the normal living condition you all know, like the one you buy on the store. Like, guys, this one is even better than the one you go and buy in the shop. Like, the package, everything, this one is natural. Do you understand? This is natural. It makes the hair to be very 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 soft. Like, I even put relaxer, which I did not even retouch the hair. Like, this is how it looks, guys. I will